It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one. As I've been stating for the last month or so, I do not trade the news. I trust my indicators, I trust my research, and I trust my TA. And nothing has changed. I've told, you guys, ladies and gentlemen, of course, salute to the ladies that actually do watch the channel. But I told you, as long as my ultimate RSI indicator continues to show bullish, then I'm bullish, right? And that can go for the total 3, that can go for the total cryptocurrency market cap, that can go for BTC, ETH specifically. ETH, actually, let's pull up ETH here. You can see ETH here coming up to our line here. We really want to see ETH push to 5K, and it's a good chance that that could happen. And of course, we got a bullish cross happening as well. So guys, like I've been saying, it's no reason to overreact as long as our indicators have been telling us that we are bullish. You can see this massive rebound, and it was kind of like it's like the news is faulty, right? Of course, we just got bullish news, and they can easily come around and whip up a new report, right? And then it turns bearish, right? But as long as those indicators, in my opinion, align with my thesis, I am going to continue to be bullish into this next leg, into Q4, and into possible rate cuts. Just in his much anticipated speech, Powell highlighted job market worries, which opened the door to rate cuts. Powell said the balance of risk appears to be shifted. So he is focusing now on the job market, what coincides with the new reading that we have a 90% chance of a Fed cut and a 10% chance of a pause. And to even, go deeper into this theory, we could get possibly 3 rate cuts in even the end of QT. So I'm willing to bet, I wouldn't want to be on the other side of this bet, right? Like, and again, if you're massively up on profits, do what you got to do, right? But I truly believe we got a nice leg coming, and possibly the most lucrative leg. We haven't seen how altcoins, Bitcoin, ETH could perform in an environment with easing. In fact, people would say that silent QE has already happened as the Fed did a treasury buyback, but we haven't been in that environment yet in this cycle, right? Coupled with the new laws, the ETFs. So it's kind of like a domino effect. If we can get all of these checkpoints green at once, we could see one of the greatest altcoin seasons of all time, right? Think about it. Pro laws, pro government, pro house, ETFs, multiple altcoins, crypto reserve, new SEC, which is pro on crypto. And then the end of QT, maybe QE, Fed cuts, however you want to look at it, more liquidity coming into crypto. So we'll continue to monitor the M2, right? Because if the M2 starts to crash, it's a good chance the entire market is going to crash. But right now, things are insanely, I don't want to say insanely, right? I don't want to get too far, but things are looking good. Things are looking good. We're not insanely bullish yet, right? But we're getting there, right? And again, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is literally falling off the map. Guys, this is so bullish. We just got 2 confirmation candles below the 50-day moving averages, and it looks like we could be seeing a bearish cross on the weekly, coupled with an ultimate RSI cross to the downside for the altcoin market. This is absolutely bullish. Absolutely bullish. If we just go here to the altcoin dominance, we're not there just yet. What we're looking for is we're looking for that confirmation above these moving averages, but we do have an ultimate RSI cross to the upside. It's still printing red, so this could still be a fake out, right? You want to see it print green like you're seeing here, but however you look at it, right? In my opinion, we're getting one step closer to a super lucrative part of the cycle. And, I'm hoping that everybody can, really see those gains, right? Stop being bearish. Stop. Like, it's like, stop flooding your own bags, right? Like, nothing has changed. I see too many people in crypto just flooding their own bags. And you can see here, the market just wanted confirmation that we could possibly get a rate cut. And as soon as we got a hint of confirmation, you can see Bitcoin rebounded from 112 to 115 within an hour. ETH is flirting around with all-time highs, and now we got altcoins in the top 100 showing the resilience and strength and resolve that we have been seeing, right? And FOMO isn't here. Retail isn't here. We haven't seen the apps like go crazy. We haven't seen everybody talking about crypto. We did see Kanye drop a coin, but you know what I'm saying? And I don't think that's like peak FOMO, right? Not yet, not yet. Like ETH got to like actually, get into that area where it 2x's from its all-time high, which would be like anywhere between maybe 6 to 8K. We should see some insane moves from altcoins. So we'll continue to monitor the stock market, the job market. We'll continue to monitor the data, as Jay Powell says. We're not out of the woods yet. I want to make it clear we're still in QT, right? So don't get too excited, but this is a step in the right direction. I'll be continuing to dig down in my research with AI in the BitTensor ecosystem, subnets, spatial data, the machine economy, RWA tokens, meme coins, community tokens, and the ones that have showed the most strength, continue to build, and have survived a 70 to 80% dip, right? Those are the tokens you want to focus with. Strong community. If it's a utility token, use case utility, and survived a 80% dip, where you see that chart kind of like putting in an accumulation pattern. Anyway, let me know what you think about the market. We are going into the weekend. Don't take too much of it from the news, but we'll continue to monitor our specific TA indicators and things that I'm looking for in the research. Anyway, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, I've been going through little headaches here, but and do apologize for the stream. A couple of the people from the Hall of Fame crypto had some things going on Friday, right? So hopefully we can get it back going on next Friday. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms.